Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most delicious and versatile fruits out there, strawberries. Not only are they incredibly tasty, but they're also packed with essential nutrients that are good for your health. So, in this video, we're going to share with you 10 ways you can use strawberries in your recipes. Let's get started. Smoothies. One of the easiest ways to use strawberries is to add them to your smoothies. Blend them with milk or yogurt, and you have a healthy and delicious drink. Salad. If you want to add a sweet and tangy flavor to your salad, strawberries are the perfect ingredient. Simply chop them up and mix them with greens, nuts, and cheese for a colorful and flavorful salad. Strawberry jam. You can make your own strawberry jam by cooking strawberries with sugar and lemon juice. Spread it on your toast or use it as a topping for your pancakes or waffles. Strawberry shortcake, a classic dessert that never gets old. Strawberry shortcake is a delicious way to use fresh strawberries. Top a sponge cake with whipped cream and sliced strawberries, and you have a dessert that everyone will love. Strawberry sorbet. When the weather gets hot, nothing beats a refreshing sorbet. Blend strawberries with sugar and lemon juice and freeze it for a sweet and tangy dessert. Strawberry sauce. If you're looking for a versatile sauce that can be used in a variety of dishes, try making a strawberry sauce. Simply cook strawberries with sugar and water until they become a thick sauce. Drizzle it on your ice cream, pancakes, or yogurt. Strawberry bruschetta. This Italian appetizer is a perfect way to use strawberries in a savory dish. Top toasted bread with sliced strawberries, balsamic glaze, and goat cheese for a sweet and tangy snack. Strawberry-infused water. Add some flavor to your water by infusing it with strawberries. Simply slice them and add them to a jug of water with some mint leaves for a refreshing and healthy drink. Strawberry salsa. If you're looking for a twist on a classic salsa recipe, try making strawberry salsa. Simply mix chopped strawberries with jalapeno, onion, and lime juice for a sweet and spicy dip. Strawberry popsicles. When the weather gets hot, popsicles are a great way to cool down. Blend strawberries with yogurt and honey, pour the mixture into popsicle molds, and freeze it for a sweet and healthy treat. And there you have it, 10 ways to use strawberries in your recipes. Whether you're looking for a sweet or savory dish, strawberries can be a versatile ingredient that adds flavor and nutrition to your meals. So, give these recipes a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.